How to install solar street lights with remote monitoring. Let's first look at what this system consists of. Solar panel with rotatable bracket, lithium battery with controller inbuilt pack, pole, LED street lamp, and CCTV camera. So we first connect the solar panel to the LED street lamp wire. And then connect the lithium battery pack to the LED street lamp wire. Our system includes all mounting screws. Then the battery pack is connected to the CCTV camera. Finally, the solar panel is fixed to the lithium battery pack holder position.